for some great deals to get Dad for Father's Day this year from eBay. They're already celebrating with hundreds of must-have deals for the dads in your life. Shoppers can buy Dad's go-to gear at go-to prices by going to ebay.com/Father's Day to shop new and refurbished products from top brands including Jabra, Milwaukee, Cuisinart, and more. Shoppers can easily save hundreds of dollars on everything from electronics, tools, home and kitchen appliances by buying trusted or like new refurbished items from eBay-approved sellers at a fraction of the price. And you can rest assured the items are inspected and certified by manufacturers to be as good as new. Plus, most certified refurbished sellers offer a product warranty of at least 90 days and a 30-day return policy. For the tech-loving dad, these are the Jabra Elite voice-assisted true wireless earbuds, which normally retail for about $180, but you can get them refurbished on eBay for $99.99. And for the crafty dads out there, the Milwaukee Rotary Hammer Kit and Bosch 2-Tool Combo Kit. They are both available for half off the original MSRP at under $100 each. And for coffee lovers, this is the Cuisinart Perfect Temp 14-cup coffee maker, which would normally retail for $99.95. But it's a steal now, just over $40. That's 50% off. Lastly, if Dad loves the outdoors, check out this Climate Stash hiking backpack, available for more than 40% off at just $32. Check it out at ebay.com/Father's Day and hurry because the deals are only available while supplies last.